Hello viewers, welcome to another video tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to move text from one place to another place in a Word document. Before getting started the tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you may get all of the tutorials we are uploading. So let's get our lecture started. Suppose you want to move this text from one place to another place, from this place to this place. You will select this text and then doing left click on this place like this, and then hold your click and then drag or move your mouse or your cursor to the place where you want to put or where you want to move your text, and then release your mouse on the place like this. So you have removed your text from here to this place. This is how we move or drag text from one place to another place in a Word document. I hope I am clear with this tutorial. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more useful video tutorials. Thank you and take care.